Life is an adventure we're all in together. Paths cross and relationships are built. Some that last a few minutes, some that last a lifetime. But one thing's for sure, we belong together, and the power of togetherness is boundless. Connections are made, diseases are conquered, and indestructible bonds are formed. It's true that we're all different, but we're the same in many ways. We all want to be taken care of, to be happy, and to stay well. We long for a connection to the world around us. We all want to be part of something bigger. That's one reason why the Sacred Heart Cancer Center is affiliated with MD Anderson Physicians Network. Because of the affiliation, our top cancer specialists are working with the nation's leader in cancer care, MD Anderson Cancer Center, to set a higher standard of cancer care for our region. Together as one.